Okay, so here's another tip and trick if you need to transfer a sub account from a workspace to another workspace. Maybe you have two of them, maybe you're managing someone else's, and a sub account is stuck somewhere. This is how you get them from one or the other. So I have one open here, and I have this other workspace here. Now, we accidentally created this sub account here with this location ID inside of this workspace, and I need it inside of this one. So what you would typically do is this location ID you can just get from GoHighLevel or whatever third-party CRM, and then we'll transfer account here, and we're going to look up this location ID, and we'll get a verification saying, hey, this one does exist. We'll put something here like accidentally added to wrong workspace, right? Whatever it may be. And we'll just confirm that everything looks correct. And let's go ahead and create this transfer request. Now, on my side here, in this workspace, I don't see anything quite yet. But here in this workspace, where the owner of the location ID I want to transfer into this one got a transfer request, and they can see those transfer requests by opening this up, and you can either accept or reject the requests. Now, if I just rejected this request, nothing would happen. The transfer request would be deleted. Nothing would happen, right? So there's no transfer that's going to happen. If I accept this transfer, I confirm the transfer, we'll see the sub account is now gone. The sub account is now transferred over here to this one, the original requester of the transfer. Now that we have our sub account in here, we can use something from our last tips and tricks here where we need to be able to get this connected with OAuth. Now there's a couple ways we can do it. There is the connect to GHL right here. We can use that, or we can use import installed, and we can find the one that we need, which is going to be this one, and we can add this to the workspace. It's already here, so it's just going to go through a refresh cycle if the tokens are good on this agency level, and if not, you can always do a refresh using the agency connection here if the tokens at the workspace level are correct. Now we're good to go. This is all set up. It is connected. We see a positive connection status, and this is how you transfer a sub account from one workspace to the other and get it connected.